You know, when you think about healthy foods, it's almost like stepping into a world of endless possibilities. It's not just about crunching on a carrot stick or munching on a piece of celery. No, it's so much more vibrant and exciting than that. Picture a rainbow on your plate. That's the first thing you should consider. Fruits and vegetables come in all colors, and each color represents different nutrients that your body craves. Red tomatoes, bursting with lycopene, are not just delicious, they're a powerhouse for your heart. And those leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard, these are like nature's multivitamins, packed with iron and calcium. Then there are the fruits. Oh, the fruits. Berries in particular are like little jewels of health. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, they're not just sweet and satisfying, they're loaded with antioxidants that help fight off those pesky free radicals. And let's not forget about bananas. They're not just a quick snack. They're a fantastic source of potassium, which is essential for muscle function and keeping your blood pressure in check. And speaking of snacks, let's talk about nuts. Almonds, walnuts, pistachios, these little guys are like nature's energy boosters. They're rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them the perfect choice when you need a pick-me-up. Just a handful can keep you full and satisfied, and they're so versatile. You can toss them in salads, blend them into smoothies, or just eat them straight out of the bag. Now, let's not overlook whole grains. White bread and pasta might be the go-to for many, but whole grains are where the real magic happens. Brown rice, quinoa, oats, these foods are not only filling but also provide essential nutrients and fiber that help regulate your digestion. Quinoa, for instance, is a complete protein, which means it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's like a little miracle grain that can elevate any meal. And speaking of meals, let's dive into the world of lean proteins. Chicken breast, turkey, fish, these are fantastic choices that can help build and repair your muscles. Salmon, in particular, is a superstar. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain health and reducing inflammation. And if you're looking for plant-based options, beans and lentils are your best friends. They're packed with protein, fiber, and a host of vitamins and minerals. You can throw them in soups, salads, or even make a hearty veggie burger. Dairy is another category that deserves attention. Greek yogurt, for instance, is a creamy delight that's loaded with probiotics, which are great for gut health. It's also high in protein, making it an excellent choice for breakfast or a snack. And if you're lactose intolerant or prefer non-dairy options, almond milk or coconut yogurt can be delicious alternatives. Let's not forget about healthy fats. Avocados are like nature's butter, creamy and rich, full of monounsaturated fats that are good for your heart. You can spread them on toast, toss them in salads, or blend them into smoothies for a creamy texture. Olive oil is another staple. It's not just for cooking, but also for drizzling over salads or vegetables, adding flavor and health benefits in one go. And finally, hydration. Water is essential, but herbal teas and infused waters can add a splash of flavor while providing additional health benefits. Think about adding slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint to your water for a refreshing twist. So when you think about healthy foods, remember it's not about restriction or blandness. It's about embracing a variety of flavors, colors, and textures that nourish your body and delight your senses. Eating healthy can be an adventure, a journey of discovery, and it's all about making choices that make you feel good inside and out.